Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says the vertices of the tetrahedron are A, B, C, and D. Okay, we have A, B, C, D. The height of A above the base B, C, D. So, first try to draw the diagram of tetrahedron. Okay, so suppose that this is your tetrahedron. Okay, a samosa like structure. Okay, so this is your A, 3, 4, 2. Okay, acha ignore. So suppose that this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Okay, so right now they are interested in finding the height of A above the base BCD. So that's why I have taken A to be on the upper part. Okay, now suppose that if they will ask you to think about height of B, then you will put B to the above part. Suppose that they will ask you to go with height of C, you will take on top of it, you will find out C. Okay, suppose that you need to find out the height of D, you will put D on the top. Okay, so look at this thing now. So A, B, C, D. This part is okay. Now you got A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. You got A, B, C, D. Now look at this. What I will do, first I will find out the equation of the plane BCD. In this case, we need to find out equation of plane ABC. Equation of the plane ABC. I'll write down the plane. Plane ABC. In this case, we will find out equation of plane ABD. In this case, we will find out equation of plane ACD. In this case, we will find out equation of plane BCD. So if we will get equation of plane, directly we can find out the perpendicular distance, correct? So look at this. If you have 3 points, how will you find out equation of plane? So you know that point A is what? 3, 4, 2. Point B is what? 1, 2, 1. Point C is what? 4, 1, 3. Point D is what? -1, -1, 3. Correct? Now, suppose that you need to find out equation of the plane BCD and you have the point B, C and D. So using 3 points, can you write down equation of plane? The answer is yes. How we will do that? Try to understand. You know that to write down equation of plane, we need a point on the plane. So we have 3 points B, C, D. We will use any one of them. Suppose that we will use B. 1, 2, 1. And we need a vector, a normal vector to the plane. Vector to the plane. So we need to find out this entity first. Now look at this. Using 3 points, can you create 2 vectors in the plane BCD? Yes, you will use BC vector. Suppose that we got BC vector. So BC vector is what? C minus B. So it is 3I minus J and then 2K. So you got your BC vector. Now can you find out BD vector? So it is D minus B. So it is minus 2I minus 3J and then plus 2K. So you got BCBD vector and this is in the plane. So if you have two vectors and you need to write down equation of vector perpendicular to the plane containing vector B and vector A, you should go with cross product. Do you remember? Yes. So what we will do to find out normal vector, we will do BC cross BD. Then we will get the normal vector. So it is I, J, K, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 2, minus 3, 2. Okay. Now let's open this determinant. So I is minus 2 plus 6 minus J is 6 plus 4. Then K is minus 9 minus 2. So we got 4I minus 10J minus 11K. So we got our normal vector. So suppose that you got normal vector and you got a point on the plane. So can you write down equation of plane? Yes. What we will do? We will use the coefficient of the normal vector as the coefficient of xyz. So the coefficient of x will be 4. So it is 4x. Coefficient of y will be minus 10. So minus 10y. Coefficient of z would be minus 11. So minus 11z plus d. And how we will get value of d? By substituting the point. Okay. So let's substitute. So it will become 4 minus 20 and then minus 11 plus d. Is that okay? So we got 31 minus of 31. So d becomes 27. So you got your d. Now you can update your equation. So equation of plane. Equation of plane is what? 4x minus 10y minus 11z plus 27 equals to 0. So we got equation of plane BCD. So this way you can find out equation of plane ABC, equation of plane ABD, equation of plane ACD if required. Okay. Now we need to find out the distance of the point A. So it is 342. So you know that 342. So A is 342. And you know that the equation of plane is what? 4x minus 10y minus 11z plus 27 equals to 0. Correct? Now we can find out the distance. So distance would become point satisfaction upon root under a square plus b square plus c square. So just satisfy the point. So it is in place of x we'll put 3. So 4 3s are 12. In place of y we will put 4. So it will become minus 40. In place of z we will put 2. So it will become minus of 22. And then plus of 27 by root over a square 16 b square 100 and then 121. So this is your, and then we will put mod. So this is your distance. Okay. So if you will try to club this and this, it will become minus of 10. So it will become minus of 50. So it is minus of 23. But it is mod, so it will become 23. So this becomes 23. Now we will add everything. So it is 7, it is 3, it is 2. So 237. So the distance of the point A from the plane BCD is 23 by root over 237. I hope the idea is clear, and if you'll get similar questions, you guys can handle accordingly. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.